Hey, what's going on everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to be doing a price prediction for Shiba Inu in 2023. And it is still a top 15, 16 crypto here, which is quite impressive. Nonetheless, despite this bear market, so it's managed to stay within some of the biggest cryptos out there, which may sound funny to some, but people do hodl this coin, right? There's still a lot of people from the bull market who are holding this, and now the question is, can it re-spark up in the next bull market? What can it do in 2023, right? Will it just consolidate, or can we see a bit of a pump? We're going to talk about that in this video. Now, I'll also go over a few news pieces. We'll dive into the in-depth chart, all that good stuff. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. I have a whole playlist with cryptocurrency price predictions for 2023 on this channel, so make sure to check that out as well. So Shiba Inu here is, like I said, still within the top 20 cryptos with a market cap of $7.2 billion. So this is already a fairly large market cap, but compared to its bull market peak, right, we have actually gone quite a bit higher than where we were, right? This was a crypto that was at $1.40 billion. So it is capable of having a much bigger market cap, despite the fact that $7 billion market cap is already quite big. Now, on top of that, its performance in the last 30 days was very impressive, right? Plus 50%. Now, what I like about this is if we go over here, pull up the heat map in the last month, you'll notice that Shiba Inu's plus 50% in the last 50 days is actually more than Bitcoin and Ethereum and many other cryptos out there. Okay, not that many cryptos actually managed to beat Bitcoin and Ethereum on this most recent pump, right? Shiba Inu did. So that is a pretty big difference right there. It actually outperformed Bitcoin, ETH, and very few coins actually even managed to do that. So that's number one. Number two is it actually did not fall that much from the all-time high. Now, I know some people might be thinking that's kind of funny considering that it dropped 85%, but you need to remember that we have very serious crypto projects, okay, that have fallen more or had fallen more than that. So, we have coins like Avalanche, very good coins out there, Phantom, you can name them, right? Even things like Curve, for example. Of course, now the market bounced a bit, but look at this. Curve down 93%. This is a very institutionally backed coin. It's the backbone of DeFi, and yet it dropped 93% compared to SHIB's 85%. So that's quite impressive for SHIB, that it actually didn't fall as much as some of the other bigger, more well-respected cryptos out there. On top of that, I want to remind everybody that SHIB is one of the coins that saw one of the biggest moves ever in crypto. And it happened in only 2 years, and it is still holding those gains. That's one of the most important things, right? Yes, we did fall from the all-time high, if I go over to the price here, but overall, right, since the beginning, since it launched, we have still made huge gains. Okay, this is actually quite rare. There's many other cryptos out there that actually didn't move that much since they were launched. Okay, let me go ahead and show you an example of that. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum Classic. You can see here, this one moved up 3,500%. Not bad. But let's see if I can find a good example here. There are some coins out there that people respect a lot. They think they're some of the best coins around. Yet if you look at from their launch price, perfect example, Polkadot. Okay, it's a coin that had hype back in the day. It only went up 143% from its all-time low. Let's compare that to Shiba Inu. Polkadot looks like a joke in comparison, right? A complete and utter joke. So, of course, right, this is a bigger crypto now. We're not going to see 200,000% or whatever this is, 2 million% gains. But we could see several 100% gains, right? Maybe this could even see a plus 1,000% again, right? If we're able to go up to $40 billion in the last market cap, there's no reason why we shouldn't be able to hit 80 billion in the next one, in the next bull run. So I'm not saying that's going to happen. This is not financial advice. Okay. This is obviously a project that is, considered a meme coin. And obviously that's not for everybody, right? I personally, have tried staying away from meme coins for a long time. I don't actually own any right now, but I'm considering Dogecoin, and I think Shiba Inu can also do quite well here. Okay, I looked at some of the news pieces, and a lot of news pieces were actually very bearish on Shiba Inu, which I don't really understand. You can see this one over here: do Dogecoin and Shiba Inu's stalled rallies mean the meme coin trend is dead? I personally don't think so, right? I don't think that's the case. I think they're both going to do very, very good, and both going to surprise a lot of people. Both will probably cause a lot of people to wonder, why did I not buy this in the bear market? You can also see this kind of pessimistic article over here. Shiba Inu will take over 1 million years to reach 100 billion tokens, right? They're talking about the token burn, okay? The thing with this is they're making this sound like a bearish thing. Well, first off, like I said, it's actually been holding up pretty well, okay, compared to many other cryptos. And a lot of other cryptos out there don't even have a token burn in the first place, okay? And mind you, even before they had this token burn, it didn't prevent the price from going up this high. So I think that this is an irrelevant point here, if I'm being honest. Now, let's take a look at this more detailed chart, see what's going on. So first off, everybody knows here we had the downtrend, right? We actually broke out of this a little bit earlier than some other cryptos, right around here. It just didn't do that much for quite some time. So if I go ahead and pull over my rectangle tool that I like to draw in, this will give you a good idea of the general range that we've been trading in, right around this area right here. Okay, so as you can see, this has been lasting for several months now, where the price has actually been quite flat. Okay, from the absolute peak bottom over here that we put in, we have managed to move up 69% right now, and at the peak though we did manage to get a pump of 140%. I think we could go higher than that. We could go a little bit higher. We could probably go to this 0.000025 level. I wouldn't expect us to go higher than that right now though, and there's a very, very good reason for that. So basically, the max move that I see happening for Shiba Inu this year would be 100% max. Probably 50 to 100% is what we have left. With that being said, I don't really expect the price to crash any lower, okay? I think that we're probably going to be somewhat in this range for quite some time. This is not anything that has to do with Shiba Inu, right? This is just how the market is moving right now. Consolidation is not a bad thing. We'd much rather have consolidation than the price crashing down like it was, okay? So consolidation, if we move up 50% this year, we should be happy that that's even the case. A coin like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, to compare, two coins that are in a very similar category, they need news, they need hype to move. Okay, these are not coins that are just going to go flying 500% in a bearish market or in a consolidation market, right? They need absolute bull runs, they need momentum, they need positive news, they need money flowing into crypto, right? And that's when things like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are really going to see strong moves again, right? That's where Shiba Inu could see that 10x happen again. If we're not in a bull market, which we definitely aren't right now, okay, I wouldn't say we're in a complete bear market like we were back here, but we're certainly not in a bull market yet, and we might not be for quite some time still. So in 2023, like I said, I expect about a 50 to 100% move max for a peak all-time high, okay? I'll repeat, about a max move to 0.000025. And in 2024, that's when we have a higher chance of maybe seeing the market start to turn back on again. At that point, we may be trading somewhere around the area we are now or a little bit higher. At that point, right, we can see that move back to the all-time highs and hopefully above. Keep in mind that this is a crypto that already has a pretty big market cap. That's one of the main things that could hold Shiba Inu back a little bit. Now, Dogecoin has an even bigger market cap. The thing is, Dogecoin is, kind of backed and promoted by Elon Musk. Elon Musk owns Twitter now. Very possible that Shiba Inu gets added as well for Twitter payments, but Dogecoin is going to be most likely with Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? So this is the type of stuff you have to think about. This is the type of stuff you have to balance out. If you bought Dogecoin in the bear market, or sorry, in the bull market up here, and you held it down, would I say it's a good idea to sell over here? I personally don't think so. That is not financial advice. It's just my own personal opinion. So with that being said, this is my price prediction for Shiba Inu in 2023. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Go check out my Twitter for live crypto tweets, and subscribe. See you soon, everybody. Thanks for watching.